Are you ready to take your business to the next level? With Facebook ads, you can reach millions of potential customers and skyrocket your revenue. But how can you effectively use Facebook ads to make money and grow your business? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests and demographics? By refining your audience targeting, you can ensure that your ads are seen by the right people, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Next, focus on creating captivating ad content. Your ads should grab attention, communicate your value proposition, and compel viewers to take action. Regularly monitor your ad performance and make adjustments as needed. Test different ad formats, targeting options, and messaging to optimize your campaigns for success. And don't forget about Meta Business Suite. This powerful tool allows you to manage your Facebook and Instagram accounts, schedule posts, and track performance, all from one convenient dashboard. With Meta Business Suite, you can streamline your social media marketing efforts and focus on what matters most, growing your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Facebook ads and Meta Business Suite today to unlock your business's full potential and start earning money. Want more insider tips and tricks on maximizing your business's potential with Facebook ads and Meta Business Suite? Hit that follow button and join my community. Don't miss out on exclusive content and updates to help you succeed in the digital world. Let's grow together. Follow me for more.